Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make green grapes juice. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I have taken 2 cups of green grapes for this recipe. You can go with any variety of grapes with the same recipe. Now let's wash the grapes properly. Add 2 cups of water and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Wash it well. Green grapes has a lot of health benefits such as it boosts your immune system, packed with nutrients such as vitamin C and K, very good for your heart health, helps in preventing chronic diseases, helps to cure asthma and migraine, lowers cholesterol levels, relieves constipation and indigestion, improves brain function, prevents fatigue and helps in weight loss. Now it's nicely washed and ready, so transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add 3 tablespoons of sugar, 5 mint leaves. Mint leaves are rich in vitamins and minerals such as iron and potassium. It treats bloating and maintains blood sugar levels. It heals joint pain and swelling. Then to this add 1 piece of ginger chopped. Ginger is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. Blend all the ingredients well. Then to this add 1 cup of water and blend well again. Then strain and add it to a bowl like this. To this add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon again helps in weight loss. Give it a good mix. Now take a juicer jar and to this add few slices of lemon and few chopped green grapes. Then to this add the green grape juice and it is now ready to serve. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and immunity boosting drink. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy green grape juice once in a week for best results. It helps in weight loss, so do try this green grape juice recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.